This evening, who killed Susan Bogle? 4 months of investigating fatal Augustown shooting and still no answers. Less lethal approach. Indicom boss suggests revision of force's tactical response in dealing with people with mental illness. And guilty. Accused gang leader Uchenz Wilson and 4 other defendants convicted.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Vashon Brown. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: how do you deal with mental issues which arise because of the COVID-19 protocols?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after the break.